Hello, welcome to Sally Jack's TV Mom. Lovely having you on board. Please make sure you subscribe because I just love that growing family, and I'm not going to be able to carry on doing this unless that family does grow. And it's all to do with you. You are fabulous and I love you so much. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to make big sweeties. Now these are amazing for kids' birthday parties, but they are fantastic for Christmas. Because if you think about it, excuse me, I'm still a little bit out of breath. That's because of my ongoing chest infection. I just have to move and I'm out of breath. It's ridiculous. It's because of my asthma as well. But there's several ways that you can do it. I'm just going to show you a couple of ways today. And then hopefully I may show you some later on. But I've just got so much to show you coming up to Christmas. I'm just hoping I get it all in. So, hello Dolly. Come round here. Come and have a look. Come and say hello. Come on Dolly. Come on. Come on. Come on, Bungle. Come on, they can't get past all the sweeties. Come on. Oh, come and say hello. Isn't my gorgeous baby girls? Aren't you? So this one's Dolly. This one's Bungle. Are you quacking, Dolly? And Zippy. Come on, Zips. Come on. Come on. Up we go. She's got shorter legs as Zippy. Come on, Zippy. Hello, babe. Oi, don't get mad because one of you's up and the other one, stop it. Yay. I'm not having any arguments. These are all my little girlies. Sadly, we lost Teddy, didn't we? But these are all my little girlies. Are you just going to sit on my knee now? Can I not get on with any work? Hey, yes, I know. I don't want your dirty tongue because I know where that's been. Right. So, for a couple of ideas, which I think I gave away, what I did was I got kids' balls. So obviously you don't want to get ones like Peppa Pig and stuff like that unless you're going to spray them up. But you want plain ones. And they do a pack of 3 in B&M that've got like knobbly bits on. And what I did is I just wrapped those in cellophane. You know, this sort of cellophane stuff. Now these have been in the garage since Frankie Jack's birthday party. So I just wrapped cellophane around them. These ones are so easy. All I did was got paper plates. You could always get the colour ones if you wanted to. But I think it was a pack of 100, just the white ones. And then I got, you know, all my spray cans, because I just carry that many spray cans now. And then all I did was I laid them all out on the driveway on a plastic sheet. And then I sprayed them all. But of course I did the same colour sides. Back and forth, if you know what I mean. Then I took my glue gun and then I glued them into place. I didn't put anything in between because I was just being quick with these. They were going in the trees for Frankie Jack's birthday. But these ones can be around Santa's grottos. They can be if you're doing a kid's tree, maybe in a school or a school fete or anything like that. Or you're doing up a shop where you're wanting that sort of sweetie look to it. But they're huge. You can see they're the same size as my head. And I've done loads of different colours. I've done, because of course Frankie Jack's birthday this year was like the greatest showman, so I was doing sweeties as if you were at the fairground, and that's where I got this idea from. So those are paper plates. But another idea, sorry I keep going a bit wonky, don't I, for you. Another idea is doing lollipops as well. Now these are obviously swimming noodles that I've just cut down, and then these are sticks, lollipop sticks, which you can pick up in the range or Hobbycraft or anywhere like that. You can get the plain ones or you can get coloured ones, and all I've done is stuck them together on the actual. So these are a red noodle, but you can get all different coloured noodles. But you can also, if you are keeping this decoration inside, you could actually wrap that with like candy cane, wrapping paper, and you can also string them together to make a what am I thinking of, like bunting, if you will. You could even, I don't know whether you could put lights in, I don't know, I've not tried that, I don't know whether they come through. Or you could put a little bit of tack on the back and actually stick them to the wall. There's so much that you can do with these kind of things. Don't just think about them for Christmas again. It's a grotto, it's brilliant, it's sweetie, it's candy cane, which is everything to do with kids at Christmas, but it's also a great idea for doing for kids' parties as well. And this is what I did for Frankie Jack's party. The other thing that I did as well is that I got, and I've got tutorial to show you, but I've already done it, so it's going to be difficult. I'll just talk you through it. But this this looks like popcorn, because the Greatest Showman, you know, you go to you know, a fair or anything like that, you always get some popcorn, don't you? And I put this together so I could make a garland out of this as well. Now this is the no nonsense. If you've seen any of the Halloween decorations that I've been doing, I've been using the expanding foam, the no nonsense expanding foam. So this is another great idea that you can use for doing that sort of thing as well. And that would be good for Christmas, because you could find some maybe ribbon that you can thread through. That would be the candy cane. So again, sticking to that candy cane theme of what you are doing. But another great idea for Christmas and for kiddies parties as well. So of course you've got lots of things that are coming up throughout the year. It's not just for Christmas. Are you all happy there? Hey, puppies? I still call them puppies and they're not puppies. Are you happy, Zippy? Are you happy? Hey, you happy puppies? Hey, my little girlies. Hello, Gollywoggles. Hey, yeah, she's a good girl. She's a good girl. Love my dogs. Absolutely love them. It's very often, they don't often come in here actually. We spend more time in the living room. Excuse me. So don't forget to subscribe, join the family. If you don't, I won't be able to grow. And I'd love to grow. Don't forget to also give me the thumbs up and any comments. I do try and get back to each and every one of you. If you've got any comments of what you want me to do or what you want me to share, or you've got any questions that you want me to answer, then please feel free to leave it in the bottom. So I'll see you later and see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free.